Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technoloop. This is the Zebronic ZEB Night Bluetooth speaker. Today in this video, let's have a detailed look at this speaker and let's find out whether or not it is worth it for the price of Rs 1400. Let's start with the design and build quality. As soon as you look at this speaker, you will instantly notice that it looks stunning. I really like the design language of this speaker. It is not like other Bluetooth speakers in the market which are very industrial looking with sharp edges. Instead, this one comes with a vintage look and it looks pretty cool according to me. I also like the mesh fabric material on the front part of the speaker. It looks damn cool and it gives a very unique vibe to the speaker. So it is a very vintage vibe and instantly you will notice that it is very different from the other Bluetooth speakers. Hence, as far as the design goes, this one has a 10 out of 10 from my side. Now let's talk about the build quality. I am glad to say that this speaker is very well built as well. As soon as you pick up this device in your hand, you will instantly notice that it has some weight to it. It does not feel cheap at all. And yeah, I would say that it is very premium when it comes to the build quality. Next up, let's talk about the features that are available with this Bluetooth speaker. You can listen to music via Bluetooth obviously because this is a Bluetooth speaker, but you have also several other options to listen to music on the speaker. For example, you have an auxiliary input, you have a USB port, and you also have a micro SD card slot. That means you can use an aux cable, a USB thumb drive or a flash drive, and also a micro SD card to listen to music on this device. So essentially, you don't even have to carry your phone around if you want to stream music. You just have to carry around a pen drive or a micro SD card and you can listen to music on this device on the go, which is a very big thumbs up from my side. Moving on, let's talk about the main thing, that is sound quality. So the Zebronic ZEB Night comes with two 3-watt speakers and they sound really good. The mids and highs are loud and clear and the sound separation is pretty good too. The only thing that is a little low on this device is the bass. It would have been awesome to see a little bit more bass on this device. It just misses that little punch that you get with awesome bass levels. But nevertheless, the overall sound quality and volume of this speaker is still pretty good. I would just like a little bit more bass, that is my honest opinion. Now the speaker also has a weird voice with a Chinese accent when you switch it on, and when you pair it to a device, it sounds pretty weird. Let's have a listen.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
So as you heard, that voice was pretty weird. The speaker also comes with 4 buttons up top. One is for play, pause or picking up calls, and yes, you can pick up calls with the built-in microphone on the speaker. Then there's a plus button and a minus button which is not used for volume controls. Instead, it is used for track control, which is kind of weird. The last button on this device is for changing different modes, that is from Bluetooth to aux to USB, etc. As far as the battery life on this device goes, I am getting a constant 4 to 5 hours of music playback, which is pretty impressive. This device comes with a micro USB port to charge it up and it takes about 2 hours to charge it from 0 to 100%. Hence, overall, to sum it all up, I would say that this speaker is actually good for the price of Rs 1400. The pros are the looks, build quality and the awesome features. The only con is that the bass level is a little less. So if you don't care about the bass levels, then you can definitely go ahead and buy this device. I'll drop a link in the description box below. You can go ahead and check it out. Now about that giveaway. So I will be giving away one of this speaker to one lucky viewer out there, and it is not this speaker. I will buy one more speaker of your color choice and I will give it away. All you have to do is number 1, subscribe to the channel, number 2, like this video, number 3, comment in the comment section down below why do you want this speaker, and number 4, you have to follow me on Instagram. The link is available in the description box below to my Instagram profile, so definitely follow me over there. Now do make a note that following me on Instagram is a must. So for example, if you win and if you're not following me on Instagram, then you won't be eligible for this speaker. I will have to choose another winner. That's why follow me on Instagram, and also the winners will be announced on my Instagram stories. That's why stay tuned. So anyway, that's been it. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one.
A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from for me. I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless.